hello YouTubers, I'm back at Namco. Sorry, it's kind of been a really long time since I've done one, so I've decided that I'm going to do one today. So, I'm at the X-Pac machine again. I need to get the go with the glasses, so hopefully I might.
It picked up and it dropped it again.
It's all weak, so I'm going to try again. I don't need no minions, so... Nothing. Right. Oh, I'm going to play the Stars vs. Something thing. So I have won one already, so I might win another one. That's way too far over. So that was now I'm going to see if I can win another minion. Right, so I don't know what machine to play, so I'm going to go back to this machine. I might try and go see if I can win a unicorn, I don't know. Maybe another Agnes, I don't know. Money's rolling away, you guys, so hopefully you can hear me. I don't know how loud I'm supposed to speak, so I'm going to go for... Right, I'm going to go for this girl. Right, so now I'm going to... Right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for Agnes. Oh wow, I need these Margos, but I don't think there's none winnable. Right. Margot's totally not winnable, so I'm going to go back over to the Margot swimming machine now. Right, so I'm back over at this machine. Really, there's nothing, so I'm going to go for this one. No, I'm going to go for... Oh, waste to go. No. So I'm going to go for Sprinter Zombie. I'm going to go for this one here. No. I do not know. But I'm going to go for the pea shooter. Will not grab her at all. Right, they have a thimble in there, I don't know why. So yeah, I don't know why they got a random thimble character from the really old TV show, so I can't spot that this morning. I don't think there's any other thing winnable. Don't want this duck with stuff, and I know it's like a children's program, so yeah, I don't know what to go for, so I'll probably look around and then I might just cancel. Right, so now we're playing my favourite game. So right. Oh, 25, 50. 50's not bad. Right, I'm gonna play it and then... Come on. Let's go. Come on. So, I'm gonna, I don't even know if I can record it, but no tickets, so yeah, sorry if you can't hear me again. Yeah, so why I ain't going to wait for the guy to come over, get my tickets because shout tickets, so yeah, I don't even know if it's going to like that. But I'm just doing this video for you guys, so yeah, so I hope you like it. I have got pounds I'm going to spend as well, so yeah, I'm going to hopefully win, but I'll see. So I'll see you. Right, I'm still waiting, you guys, so I'm just going to end the video here and just wait until they give me the ticket. That's why it is, because I am waiting in, busy as hell. I knew I should have gone this morning, so yeah, that's the main thing I'm saying to myself. I told myself I should have done it, so I'll be waiting for you guys, so, well, not waiting for you guys, I'll be uploading another video next Saturday, I think. So yeah, it's been quite short. It's Namco and I'm hot as hell waiting, so see you in my next episode, which will be Roblox Murder Mystery, so see you then.